While go on YouTube, you know it's your boy Click, and today we're gonna be looking at Breakfast Club's most savage interviews. And I know you guys can already tell most of them are gonna be about Charlemagne the God. I don't know why his name is Charlemagne the God, but that is his name because I have always went back to rewatch all of these moments, like when he gets pressed or when he says something stupid and people say something back to him and how scared he gets. It's just so funny to me. You know what I mean? You say stuff as a radio personality and people see you in person, you're a different person, you know what I mean? But that's what we're gonna get into today, guys. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit subscribe, turn on post notifications, drop a like right now, and let me know what you think about these moments and the response from Charlemagne himself. You know what I'm saying? We're just gonna get right into it. I'll see you guys later. Peace.
Well, you think so?
I mean, come on. Yeah.
I mean, I've only had one record I didn't have a number one record on.
Yeah.
Last record I put out, I had a number one record. Sold about 5 million records. 5 million singles. Hey, it works.
But you used to selling like, 5 million albums.
That's
Like,
a lot of people did.
yeah. I mean, but do you feel the effects of that though? Like as an artist?
That's a stupid question.
We are the Breakfast Club. Now nobody gonna say hello or nothing.
Who
Because
asked?
you usually say we got a special guest in
But
the
most
building.
episodes usually say good morning. What up? Maybe say something. Talk to me.
No, we don't.
Nobody does that.
What's wrong with you?
Come
You on
man.
drugs?
We see you every day. We
What's
do
wrong
it
with
all
this
day.
guy?
He's
You
happy.
can look down and see his penis.
Absolutely.
That's all that matters.
What you trying to say? That he done see him before?
I don't think he could.
What the fuck?
I'm
You
serious.
trying to call him fat before?
He was
You know
definitely.
what I'm saying? Irv ain't never saw me and said nothing out the ordinary or side of the neck or nothing like that. You know what I'm saying? We always say what's up and keep it moving.
Never go pound and then whisper in the ear, you got a good girl. Take care of her.
Nah, I don't think he said that. You know what I'm saying? So
Hey,
I
is he-
don't know, champ. You know, if it's something you trying to get to, just get to it. You know, it's like I said when you train us, bro. Just say what you mean what you say.
No, I don't want to. I don't
Okay.
know. I was just on World Industry.
Yeah.
So you have to clear this up. But you're in industry music for gays.
What?
I do.
I'm not the intern. She looked at me like
What's wrong with that?
nothing
I
at
think
all.
nothing's wrong with it.
So,
No, I'm saying
What now?
I mean, it's not specifically for that audience. You just make music, right?
For 20 years,
Yep.
married for 17 years. Eventually, I'm doing something right. I mean, what?
Have you ever cheated on him?
Did you cheat on yours?
You damn right.
he cheats all the time.
I'm a piece of shit.
It's not like
What a
everybody
dumbass.
goes through their mess. I mean, everybody goes through their mess.
Our age and our time, I feel like you got to be the best.
But Takeoff be rapping. He even confused Nicki Minaj because Nicki said she didn't realize you was rapping about her on Motorsport.
Cap.
R.I.P. man. Shit crazy.
Now, with the album out, are you paying attention?
That nigga not even talking too tough.
I'm just going to tell you, because
No doubt.
at the end of the day, there's girls out there who are, they hate.
Okay.
But what would you be so mad about?
You're the definition of a woman who has no talent. You're the
No
reason.
talent.
You're the reason
No
that all of
talent.
these
So-
chicks
so
are
going to
running to
college-
these reality
going to
shows.
college,
All that
having
means
2
nothing.
degrees. So I bet
Because you did
anything
Bad Girls Club.
It doesn't
You're known as the
matter.
loudmouth,
Uh-huh.
big chin chick from the
Oh,
One
that's
day you got Charlemagne fired one time. We just don't want to fight.
Oh, gosh.
Listen, my last name is Pinkett Smith Winfrey Knowles Carter. Okay,
Mhm.
I'm cool over here.
All right, just making sure.
you can't talk tough to Jay Z.
Congratulations
I
on the
wanted them
album.
to get you a throne too,
Yeah.
but they weren't sure if you were coming. I was like, yo, we can't have Jay sit in this chair. But then he was like, yo, he's
Sure.
from Marcy. He sat on
Yeah,
Stoops coming up.
I could take it back for.
And you basically paid him to
Stupid
be
ass.
Marcy.
Yeah.
You gave him a show.
But
You
it,
hooked up
it
with
worked.
him.
It worked. So are you
Wow.
nervous that he's gonna blow up and get bigger and then possibly leave you? Is that?
Oh, these niggas are fucking wild.
We have something.
You know he's gonna sleep with other women though. You do know that. Are you aware of that?
Thanks in what?
He's gonna sleep with other women.
No, I'm not.
No, I'm not.
You trying to get me in trouble?
No, we had Diddy up here the other day, and he
Uh-uh.
talked about the 75%, 25% rule. 75% of the time, you're going to be a great boyfriend, loving, caring, be there for him. But the other 25%,
mean,
you have your dick in the dirt.
As a,
I'm a good boy.
As-
I'm not. I'm
Now,
not.
if he
I don't live by Diddy's
if he
rules. I'm a good boy.
If he cheats one time on you, do you give him a chance one time? Or
You
do
have to. He's a
or is it
Yeah,
rapper.
yeah. I
You
would
have to.
probably give him a chance.
You give him one chance.
Mm.
and
But I
shit.
don't know.
More than one. He's a rapper. He's going to make mistakes.
He's an
only
artist. He's
Yeah, I'm an
even
artist. on
worse.
that.
He's only 20
Thanks.
years old. He's got a hot record. It's only going to get bigger. He just signed. It's going to happen.
But
Ashley.
Charlemagne said not
Okay.
only is he going to get urban punani, he's going to be
Mm.
folk, country,
Yes.
pop.
Yes.
I don't know why they're putting this shit in
Yes.
this
A
girl's
man
head,
is
man.
only as faithful
Like,
as his options. You know that, right? You know that?
What?
A man is only as faithful as his options.
that's facts, though.
Not a lot of options, when you're just a struggling
Gotta be
guy in
faithful.
Dallas. But now that you're a popping rapper traveling the world,
No, I'm a good boy, man. I'm not listening to y'all. Because
telling you.
I'm a good boy.
Post,
I
listen.
got so much willpower.
Post,
I got
listen to
so
me.
much
Listen
willpower.
to me. I'm telling
Yeah.
you what I know. You're a young man. Trust me. I applaud
Like,
you
why are
for
they
trying to do
putting
the right
this shit
thing.
in his head?
But it's not gonna finish that way. And when it happens, I want you to come back up here and shake my hand and say, Charlamagne, you know what? You was absolutely right, man.
Ashton will shake your hand.
Ashlyn, this is what y'all should do: threesomes. A lot of couples is working for.
This guy is a sicko, bro. This nigga is
That
20.
way you can
Why you
make
telling
sure
the man that
see
shit?
who he brings in, and you could make sure you manage the whole situation. It's like being a promoter, like you are.
This
And
guy's
you promote
stupid.
And you keep him out of
The
trouble.
situation.
You keep him out of trouble because you don't want him to end up catching no rape charge or get no girl pregnant, catch a STD. So if
Low key,
you're
that's kind of
girls,
a good idea.
Like, no, she's a good one. We can do this together.
Have you ever thought about that?
No, not till
2
now.
on 1.
Man, y'all leave her alone.
Like, honestly, bro.
2 on 1. Ashlyn, okay?
Okay.
Were
Trust
you
me.
there at Kylie Jenner's party?
Yes.
Oh, you were there. Okay, good.
So you don't be one of those.
Mm-mm.
Don't be one of those that comes everywhere. Post,
Nah.
you're not gonna post.
Post,
Listen to me. Let me.
What is wrong with this guy, bro?
You're not gonna want her everywhere.
You're gonna tell the man what he
Your boys
wants.
are gonna get tired of it. Your boys will be like, yo, does she have to come everywhere? You don't want her everywhere. Trust me, it's early.
I'm the singer.
You still in the
I'm the singer. I'll do whatever I
You
want.
might want her there everywhere.
Nigga is stupid.
Listen. Here's some of y'all know.
I joke when you talk about my wife.
All right, I apologize then.
You see what I'm saying? You can talk about me all day. You can
All
make
right.
jokes of me, but when it comes about my wife and my family, it's a little disrespectful.
Envy would never do another joke
And you
about
should
you.
know that because you
No,
got
I
kids
feel
and a
you.
wife.
No, I feel you. I hear that. But you know what I'm saying? At the end of the
But
day,
there is no but.
no, there has to be
There is
a
no but when
There
it comes
has
to
be-
wife and kids. There is no but.
But
You
look,
can talk about me all you want, make fun of me all you want, but when it's wife and kids, there is no but.
look at my Instagram comments. It's
I don't
full
look
of
at your
like,
Instagram
yo.
comments. I don't look at your shit.
it's
I don't
full
talk
of
about my wife
everything.
and my kids.
Mm.
You can play with that. I don't play with that.
I don't play with that neither.
All
But,
right, then
but
you
at the
should
end
know
of the
then
day,
it was respecting it. You should know that
come
immediately.
on. You really thought that was a
Yes, it was
disrespectful
disrespectful.
maneuver?
Yes, yeah. When my wife heard it, she thought it was disrespectful too.
Really?
Absolutely disrespectful.
Okay, I'm
Absolutely.
sorry. I thought we was cool.
I thought
we was cool.
too.
I thought that. I thought it was like
a
a jokey joke.
No,
kind
They
of
it's
thing.
not a jokey joke.
apologize.
It's a jokey thing. It's gonna be tough this year. I don't know if you guys gonna make the playoffs this year.
Alright.
All right, man.
Them Giants.
Like, this nigga has no
Giants
time to.
looking good. I'm just saying, them Giants looking good. We just signed Victor Cruz.
Bro, honestly. Yo, Jay-Z's looking at this nigga like, yo, why do you call me up here to waste my fucking time, bro?
Who
6
you root for?
years.
If the Jets win, if the Jets are winning next season, he's a Jets fan. Giants start winning, he roots for the Giants. He's confused.
It's early in the morning for that, bro.
Like,
Mom got a saying. That's a compliment. Don't worry about it.
Oh,
That is not a compliment.
That is a compliment.
No, it's not.
Look how you're trying to
That is
make him
not.
please.
See, this is what. Let me get a splash before I cheers you, because I got to drop in a little.
Okay.
Splashies.
No disrespect, but I didn't know you had ass.
Oh my! Don't look at Nick
She's a
Candace. What's
married-
wrong with
Oh, I'm
you?
sorry. My fault. My fault.
this nigga is so stupid.
Okay, that's your guy.
That's my guy. I think Damon is very funny. dude.
Damien.
I'd have shot your club up.
I'm not.
You want to shoot your club up, man.
Oh my god.
What is a club?
That's when a man ejaculates.
It's creepy.
When y'all bring a girl in the bedroom, that's technically y'all running the train because it's 2 men together.
No, she's a real woman, man, 100%.
Oh, this nigga was wild. That's that Fernet, whatever her name is.
BrookeTaylorOnline.com. Hit me up on Twitter, the Brooke Taylor.
Yeah, there you go.
Y'all run trains? Oh, yeah.
Come on, Charlamagne.
This nigga asked the stupidest questions
You
ever.
guys are not having sex, okay?
They're not having
they're
sex,
only
man.
14
They
years
bring
old.
it back.
Oh my god, bro.
This the one right here. He's knocking everything down. This guy right here is knocking everything. Yes, he's knocking everything down.
That's so wrong.
Let me like break something down. You like just because I don't believe that you can tell me that this is not good. Motherfuckers calling my team Scarface, pushing that white boy like Tony, from the blocks to the island like Coney. Peep out, it's your bony young brother, came from nothing but a couple of pennies to 1, 2, a couple of millies. Now can you feel me? Yes, just that. Real biatch, Kel's biatch, taught to never snitch and
Honestly, I think this maybe it's because there's no beat.
I'm from the city where men is made. I had a daughter, now I'm trying to father a junior like it's 11th grade. You know what I'm saying? Like I don't see like how you can like listen to that and not like be like, that's.
It doesn't move me, man. Like,
It's just, you need a beat.
Stop it.
it doesn't move me.
Let him listen to the album. Let him listen to the
He's
album.
a nice guy.
Nah, man, I'm not trying to hear that.
You're better than Yellow Wolf.
This nigga's out. You're better than Yellow Wolf.
Frank Ocean flirt with you, you can't jump on him. You gotta go. That's not what happened?
Nah, not at all.
Frank didn't flirt with you and you.
Nah, not at all.
No, he didn't flirt with a man.
I thought that was the story.
No.
Don't fall for this entrapment.
What's wrong with Charlamagne, bro? It's like,
You and Frank good now or you just.
Nah, I'm cool. I mean, I let them do their music, man. I don't get in their way. They don't get in my way.
Do it. Talking to a sexual
Do
deviant.
it.
Y'all are
Do
so
it.
crazy,
Do it.
Charlamagne.
Do it, Charlamagne. You
I
ain't
don't
about
care.
that life, Charlamagne. He's ready.
Come on, baby.
He's ready. Come on. Wait.
You're gonna turn her into a full blown.
Oh.
Age and our time.
She's disgusting for that.
But Takeoff be rapping. He even confused Nicki Minaj.
Nigga, why you guys?
He didn't realize you was rapping about her on Motorsport.
Cap.
Tapper dapper.
Album, are you paying attention to what people are saying about it?
Promotion for your projects is y'all was dropping. It was a time when was dropping every week. It was a no limit product in stores every week, except for Mercedes. We never saw that, and I always wanted to see that because she had a fat ass.
Yeah, see that, bro. Hold up, man. Don't talk about Mercedes.
Oh, my bad. I ain't know she family.
So disrespectful.
Nah, she ain't family, but still though, with all my people, man, you know how I am.
Yeah.
Yeah, but we good, man. Ain't no, you know what I'm saying? You know how we get out.
But how was you setting it up though, promotion wise?
What you mean setting?
Because it was dropping. They were dropping every week. So how was people able to know? Okay, it was unless you was going to the record.
Nah, let's go back to this, dog. Let's respect, because I'm not gonna talk about your sister, your mama.
Got you.
You know, we need to. You know what I'm saying? Like that's the first thing, because I know you do your radio thing, and I respect that. But at the same time, Mercedes is she a female.
Oh, my fault. Yeah, you right. But she did look good on that cover, though.
Yeah, she look good. That's your opinion. But you know, it's about that's HB right there. What's up, youngster?
Yo, this nigga's bummy.
This the future right there. Yeah.
I'm just supplying the penis. I'm not asking you for nothing. But if you want to take care,
Are
you a registered sex offender?
Nah, I'm not.
Were you convicted of
I
something?
knew. Nah, I'm not. You could actually look it up. You got a computer right there.
Yeah, I did. That's why
Look it
I
up.
asked. Because I mean,
But
you can't.
look